Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael Crump back here again, talking about the latest and the greatest in PlayStation homebrew news and much, much more. So, today I wanted to release a video that showed you how you can help us keep Prospero patches, which is for the PlayStation 5 database, up to date. Recently, I released a tweet on Twitter saying that I had just bought Madden 23. And absolutely right here is that wonderful copy that I bought. And I do just a quick search for Madden, then you will realize why I just picked up this Madden 23 game. And that's because it hasn't yet been added to the database. And what that means is that if you typically pick one of these games and maybe you go into Madden 22, it gives all kinds of great information. So some of that information would be helpful. I just picked up Madden 23, and well, this won't run on a 3.20 or a 4.03 system, but I didn't know that because it wasn't in Prospero patches right now. So in other words, if I picked up Madden 22 and I scroll down here to the bottom, I could see that the base game will run on version 3.20. Again, this type of information is for those of us in the jailbreak scene, meaning that we aren't running the latest firmware. Now, it's also really just great and helpful because you can get more details of what was kind of fixed in these different types of packages, as long as you follow these instructions. Now, it says right here, we need your help adding games, and there is some instructions right here on how to contribute it to the archive. And in today's video, we're going to do that exactly with Madden 23. So let's go ahead and let's switch over to the PlayStation 5. Okay, so over on the PlayStation 5, I have went ahead and ran the exploit, and as you can see right here, I have went ahead and sent over an F file, which is the FTP payload. Again, keep in mind that since this is a game that is beyond the version 3.20 PS5, which is what I'm running on right now, that the disk won't actually show up inside of the system. It basically will just kick you back over to this screen right here, which says update the system software to play this game. And if you press update right here, then it will kick open the update file that's actually on the disk. Obviously, we don't want that, so we will just press cancel right here. And now let's switch over to the FTP and let's copy this file over. Okay, so I have went ahead and I've logged into my PlayStation 5 here. I have went ahead and I've went to the mount folder here and then disk. And then inside of disk, you will see these folders right here. What we're going to be interested in is going to be the app folder and then the PPSA 05481 folder here. And then we want to take this PKG file and drag and drop that into a folder where we can examine it in just a minute. I just created a folder on my system, which is PS5 Madden 23. And so now we're going to wait for this to finish. Okay, so now that that file has been copied over, let's switch over to a hex editor. So for the hex editor that we're going to use, I'm just going to use HXD. It is absolutely free, and you can go through here and look at some of the features, but this is going to be perfect for us. Just switch over here to the download page, and then just download whatever language that you know the best. Okay, so once you have HXD loaded, just go ahead and drag and drop that PKG, which again, this is Madden 23, and this is the app_sc.pkg. So we're going to need to come up here to search and then find. And what we're going to search for is going to be the -version.xml. That right in here, and we're going to go search all. And what we can see right here, this is the URL that we want to copy and paste. So I'm just going to copy that into Notepad right here. And there it is. And we could go ahead and open up our browser and just give this a quick shot. So let's do that. Okay, so once we put this into the browser, we can absolutely see there's a little bit of information such as which patches are in here. Again, this is for the Madden 23 game for the USA version. And so now let's just go ahead and do another search from within here on a /app/info. And what we are looking for is this JSON URL. So I'm going to copy that completely out right here. Again, I'll just go ahead and save this into Notepad. And here is where Prospero Patches gets all of the information regarding these version numbers for this game. So now let's go ahead and let's add it to the database. Okay, and just to wrap up here, now we can go to add a game. I have went ahead and I have pasted that JSON URL that we had, and now I'm going to press submit here. And it says data was verified and accepted. Madden NFL 23, thanks for your contribution. There it is. So now others that are wondering, what type of patches is out for NFL 23, what firmware versions do you need, it would be available. Okay, and so let's just go ahead and let's see if it has been added now. So we're going to type Madden again. And there it is, Madden NFL 23. So now I can click onto that, and we have all kinds of metadata that has now been put through, title ID right there, as well as the latest and greatest patch. We can come into more details right here and get a little bit more information. And we could also come up and see that there is some media. So we could grab the background player art if we wanted to, and we could maybe check out the Game Hub cover art. So yeah, all of this is now available for others to take advantage of. And then just metadata saying that who the title is, the publisher, the description of the game, and so forth. Anyway, I hope this video helped somebody out there. I will see you on the next one. Michael out.